Please follow all safety guidelines when working on actual job sites. In this video, we will go over the process of pipe bursting an existing water service line from a commercial basement while pulling a new water service line in its place. Bracing is placed in the front of the PE-10 to ensure space for pulling the new service line. After running a bursting cable through the existing water service line to the basement, an inner duct puller is attached to the new service line and connected to the bursting head. The PE-10 is then used to burst the existing service line while pulling the new service line back to the water main. Depending on soil and pipe conditions, a pulling rate of up to 13 feet per minute is possible. When the process of pulling back the new service line is completed, the service line is ready to be connected to the water main.